Hi guys! Today we're going to be creating a garden Christmas tree using just the leaves and cute critters from the garden. So colorful. We started by stamping everything using the Memento Tuxedo black ink because it's alcohol friendly since we're going to be using Spectrum Noir and alcohol markers. We colored all the leaves the same way. I just left the last two so we can color them together. On screen, you're going to be seeing all the shades that I used. So I'll be leaving you with coloring, and I'll catch you back again later so we can put the card together. So here are all the images colored, and I also cut them. Then this is a piece of cardstock, Bristol Smooth. I'm going to lightly ink it with the distress ink, the color Tumbled Glass. Here I'm gluing the branch of the tree in the middle, touching the bottom of the scene. I'm playing around with the arrangement of the leaves so I can find a good arrangement until I like all the tiers, and I started gluing them directly to the background. Instead of the golden star, I put a golden cupcake. I mixed and matched, trying to find a good arrangement for the critters so they have a good variety of colors. And then I used foam tape to stick to the background, which again I'm gonna change and make it a red background instead. I doubled on the foam tape behind the grass, and to add a little interest on the card, I'm adding these cute mushrooms and flowers and leaves. I'm using the matte medium glue, just making some of the flowers and mushrooms shorter. And then I added the sentiment Garden Fresh Greetings. I'm using the white gel pen to add lines here and there just to give more interest. I was taking my time. So many critters. These tiny details add a lot to the card. I then did not like that the grass that was not shaded. I used the Mowed Lawn color from Distress ink, and I used just a scrap of paper to protect the rest of the scene. Here is the part where I didn't like the white background and I changed it to red. This is Cardstock from Lawn Fawn. So here are some close-up images. I had so much fun creating this with you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!